po ba na property ay located lang sa Imus, Cavite at very accessible pa sa Manila via Cavitex at Cavite Laguna Expressway at malapit lang ito sa Open Canal Road connecting the Anghari Road going to Alabang. Yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Ang floor area natin ay 63.25 square meters kaya naman mayroon tayo enough space for living, dining at kitchen. Included na ang granite countertop with kitchen cabinet. Upon turnover, we have here our toilet and bath dito sa ground floor with complete fixture. Complete finish turnover nga ito, kaya naman ang total improved area natin ay 94.75 square meters. Included na ang ating service area. Yes, covered na ang ating malawak na carport at ang lot area natin ay 54 square meters. Available ito through bank financing at in-house financing for as low as 18,750 sa monthly equity for 24 months. Dito sa second floor, meron tayong maluwag na hallway at common toilet and bath with complete fixture. Sulit na sulit talaga pag complete dahil livable na to upon turnover. At ang maganda dito guys ay may promo tayo